Pakistan is against India is a very good match. Hello and welcome to the Dubai Cricket International Stadium at the United Arab Emirates. Today is very good to the match. Is the blue corner is the Rohit Sharma India, and here is the Mohammad Ruzwan is green corner to Pakistan. It's a big match today in here, United Arab Emirates, Dubai International Cricket Stadium. Now the toss time. Ruzwan have a coin. Ruzwan, please you have the coin. Ruzwan, you won the toss, and what would you decided? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Who you have a bet first? Why you decide the bet first, Mohammad Ruzwan? Pitch is very good today, and our batsman is really good and very grass and to pitch on our today and after, and good achievement today is Pakistan is against India is a very good match. Unfortunately, Fakhar Zaman we injured, and we back on Imamul Haq, and good decision to Imamul Haq and good batting, and we play on same team, yes, against India, New Zealand. The news from the center, Pakistan have won the toss and decide the bat first.